Coming live, somewhere in America, the one and only, the Uncle Tony Show. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. This is why Uncle Tony trusts no one with his car. If you can afford a drift car, try this. His pants are full of poop.
And then we might be going to the paint store too. Holy shit!
My friends in Germany, keeping it real. Uncle Tony is so proud of his nephew. This guy is me, Uncle Tony. Nice to meet you. Next year, I'm going to the Olympics to do the long jump. You need to step on it, son.
What are the odds you pass the state trooper?
Use your turn signal and don't go over 60.
1, 2, 3, 3.
Go. Hurry up.
Shut the fuck
Don't go
up.
over 60. You go a little faster than that. Go over like 61.
I hope he pulls you over.
Oh my God,
he's pulling you over.
Why?
Rare footage of Uncle Tony when I was a kid. When you try to be as good as Uncle Tony...
What happened, Mr. Drifter?
It's not about fast cars. It's about being Uncle Tony.
Dale.
This kid knows how it's done.
Go! Get out of here, Lilo! Get out of here, Lilo! Oh! Take off, man!
Guess which one is Uncle Tony? Mercedes versus BMW. That camera probably cost more than the car. I taught him that. Uncle Tony skills.
This is how you turn completely around in a trail with front-wheel drive.
If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or Uncle Tony will fart in your room at night and close all the doors and windows.